how to connect your WhatsApp account to your Meta Business Suite. So first of all, you have to log in a specific account which you want to connect your WhatsApp account to, and just look at the left section, go to the this section where you can see the settings option. Once you click to settings, you can see this interface. There are lots of options, below the account section you can find your WhatsApp account option. Just click on it, and as you can see it says no WhatsApp account connected added, because it's obvious we haven't added one yet. Just click on add, and now you have two options here. One is to create a new WhatsApp account, a business account, or link a pre-existing business account. Let's try the first case where we don't have a WhatsApp business account. So just click on create, and you can see this menu. Just fill up the mandatory informations category. You have to fill up your the reasons or category of the business, and then you have to mention your phone number and phone number verification, and just click on continue. So this is the first step if you don't have a WhatsApp account, or if you have a WhatsApp account already and you want to connect it to it. You just go to the add option, and again click on this link a pre-existing WhatsApp number, and yeah, set your country code as per your country, and just give your phone number there, and click on continue, and now you are good to go. So this is it for how to connect your WhatsApp account, business account, to your Meta Business Suite. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for future videos like this.